again because my money has finished. Bye, TEMU. I will never order something from TEMU again. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my unboxing video with me. Unbox with me. Guys, I finally ordered something from TEMU. Guys, I was so scared that TEMU would never give me my item until I got a call today. Hi, your item is arrived. I'm like, Jesus, are you guys really? Are you sure? Let's unbox together where I got from TEMU. Let's be unboxing some of the things I got from TEMU. So I ordered, you guys, look all the things I ordered from TEMU. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. What I ordered from TEMU. So we are going to be unboxing what I ordered from TEMU. So first, yeah. Oh my God, how many pieces? I don't know. So it was my sister that actually ordered this from TEMU. Tell me why they give her tiny hair clip. She's even happy that is what she wants to order. This, I think I'll be putting the price off. I can't remember this hair clips. I don't know what she ordered. Please, if you're hearing a noise from the background, I'm totally sorry. My room is hot. I have to on the fan. So that's why I'm basically speaking louder. Yeah. So the next thing is this. You guys, I'll be saying this thing all over my FYP. Like, oh my God. You can like put it on your kitchen cabinet. Like when you're making vlogs, sticking thing. So if you know this, you know this. You guys see. So I put the cleaning, and there was the one that ordered. I don't even know why she ordered this, and they give it in a small like. I mean, next thing is tooth and brush. I made this toothbrush like this, and I don't know why it's open. I pray I can remove the noise. So it came with this and this. Actually, I don't want to open this, and I don't know if there was a cord this side. Please, it's not for me, but I want to be sure. I ordered this for someone. I want to be sure that it's really working. So it's someone, if you're watching this video, I want to check if it's working. Yeah, I'm so sorry, my love. Okay. Oh my God, he used battery. What type of battery, man? Oh my God, I made a mistake. What type of battery did you use? Oh my God, I'm going to figure out what type of battery you use. What type of battery? I thought it's to plug. I thought it's to plug. Oh my God. I don't know that I ordered the same thing with the way Judy ordered her one. So the next thing is Judy's electric toothbrush. Remember I ordered this for myself. I've done now, I ordered 3, but I was still a new one. I just okay, let me order another brand, and I don't know its battery. Okay, this is actually for Judith. This one came because I've opened this one before. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. So I can plug this. You know, I've bought this one before. I don't know why I didn't buy this type, and it's almost the same price. This is actually for Judith. Oh my God, it's so cute, but the material is not that quality. You guys, how would you be ordering this one? So we have white, it's like a cream color. We have black, we have blue, and we have pink. And we also have red or wine, and we have like a brownish color. This is what Judy ordered. And the material is not giving though. It's very light, but these are hair boats that she ordered for herself. Yeah, I think I'll be putting it up here. Bathroom order basket, or a bathroom where I can put my this thing. So I was saying 2. I started finding the 2. I was reading it. They were saying 2, or maybe it's me that not read it well. Anyway, I'm not going to blame them. So then I give me the sticker for the wall instead of what did they call? Instead of the whole basket itself. Oh God, I'm not going to cry. When I go to Lagos market and I have money, I'm going to buy the basket and come and use this because it can't waste. Yeah, the next thing is this. It was how many pieces? 100 and something pieces. TEMU decided to give me small mask, something face mask protecting or something like that for massaging your face. Guy, see how light it is. That is meant to be. I thought it's meant to be, and it was like about 6K or 3K. I can't remember. You just put it on your jug like this. Thoughts, favor, please don't tell them to give me extra. I basically ordered 3. I clipped 3. And it was open. You guys look at it. See, in case people say I'm the one that opened it, it's done already. We'll be changing it for me and Judith. Judith actually ordered this, so we'll be changing it time to time. So we have different colors. 2 colors are the same and different colors. So this is how it look like. It's too long because I ordered so many things from TEMU. I think I'm going to be deleting TEMU at this point because I don't want again. So Judy ordered these lip glosses from TEMU. So let's just open one, or should we open everything? Okay, this is how it look like. All these cute lip gloss. See, it smells so good. Or it tastes, I don't know the English to use, but we have this sunscreen. Actually, it was 9K. You guys see, 9K. I've heard about this sunscreen that is very, very good. I wanted to buy it here, but where's because I'm trying to open this thing. Okay, I'll find a way of opening it. Oh my god, oh my god, sunscreen. Okay, Judy ordered this chain from TEMU. So it's so cute, man. It's so cute, man. So she ordered this for herself from TEMU. Hello Kitty. So there's a event, like something coming up. A very, very high I ordered before. So it makes me super excited to have a mini. If I can go out, I'm no more ashamed to take this big one and be going out, so I can go out with it. And tell me why they didn't put this thing inside carton for me. They just put inside this nylon for me. And what else? Yeah, inside this nylon and this wrapping this. Why is not inside a carton? Why is it not inside this nylon? Let's all about it together finally. But guys, I'm happy for this mic, but at the same time, look at my hair. I'm not that happy because it's not iPhone, it's Type-C. Can I return it? TEMU, please, can I return it? I know I'm the one that making. I'm the one that made the mistake. So this is not yet. Yeah, see the mic. I've charged it because I'm so scared, and I'm using iPhone. I'm not using Type-C, but if I have iPhone from my phone 12 to 13, I know I'm going can use this. It's not so waste because I'll not forever using iPhone XR by God's grace. If I have the money and someone give me the phone, I'll be able to use this. But at the same time, again, I just need a tiny plug that I can use and attach your iPhone to this that it can work. I'm trying to get it, and the person said that I should come back on Tuesday. Maybe you help me get it from the market. I'm spraying, but right now I'll not be able to be using my mic, guys. Right now I'll not be able to be using my mic. Bye TEMU. I will never order something from TEMU again because my money has finished. Rice mask, rice skincare. Let me just put it, rice skincare. So I ordered rice skincare, guys. At this moment I don't know which one is the toner, which one is the sunscreen. So I've come to the end of unboxing with me and support from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.